हाय, एज ए सिविल सर्विसेज एस्पिरेंट मेरे को दो चीज़ें हमेशा परेशान करती थी. द फर्स्ट वाज स्पेसिफिकली कि सोर्सेज क्या पढ़ने चाहिए एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए, एंड सेकंड एंड प्रोबेबली इवन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, हाउ टू रीड दोज सोर्सेज. For history optional, I have already told all of you what are the important sources for ancient, medieval, modern as well as world history. Now let me help you out in the second one, how to read these sources specifically. I'll be first starting with a workshop that will be specifically dealing with modern India. Okay, because modern India remains important for our prelims, it remains important for our GS mains as well as for our optional naturally. I am Vikas Ahlawat. I have cleared prelims 6 times, more than 130 marks I was able to score. I got into the rank of 369 as well as 146 in 2016 and 2018. And I was able to get the highest score in history optional in 2018, that is 324. I have been able to help various students get wonderful results in last few years, including rank 1 in 2021. Let us try to understand what this specific workshop will be about. This workshop that I am talking about will be taking the example of case of Sekhar Bandyopadhyay. Sekhar Bandyopadhyay, as I have already told you, is an important book for history optional. You have to read it so that you get the grasp of important debates. Whenever we read debates, clarity is required, but to what extent we have to remember the name of historian, to what extent we have to remember the facts, data for a specific topic, that remains a challenge, because this book is, as you can see, very wide in covering such thing. So it will include first how to do effective reading. Okay, effective reading is very important. Second, the important topics for modern India from this specific book that I'll tell you specifically. And third part, I'll be discussing about answer writing. Okay, because आपने पढ़ लिया, the third logical step, identify the sources, read them, write answer. The third step will be about answer writing. So I'll take the example of one of the toppers who has done test series at our institute, who scored 295 marks last year around. Uska example lenge, we'll read some of the answers that he has written, and then eventually you'll get a complete understanding of Sekhar Bandyopadhyay कि हाँ कैसे इसको पढ़ना है. So in order to get this specific understanding, first we'll be doing the reading. Second part, you will be able to identify the relevant points. हर टॉपिक में देखो relevant points को निकालना बहुत जरूरी है. Many things which are given in Sekhar Bandyopadhyay, these are just stories which are not important from exam point of view. So with the help of these two topics that I'll be taking for reading, I'll help you out कि हर टॉपिक को इस तरीके से पढ़ो. ठीक है, I'll give you various examples. Important topics will be highlighted, and finally how to do mains answer writing practice for history option specifically. Even I'll be covering for GS also. अगर GS के लिए आंसर लिख रहे हो तो क्या चीज़ें नहीं करनी है जो हम ऑप्शनल में स्पेसिफिकली डील करते हैं. ठीक है, सो इन ऑर्डर टू बिकम पार्ट ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप, एज ऑल ऑफ यू नो, यू हैव टू रजिस्टर करो. लिंक विल बी गिवन बिलो. सेकंड, you can even subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the important updates on a daily basis. And if you have any specific query, you can even talk to the counselor. Okay, so this is all about the workshop. I'll be helping you out again because the first part was sources, वो मैंने deal कर लिया अच्छे से, आप उसको दोबारा से देख सकते हैं if there is any ambiguity. Second part, which is very important, is now reading, and then finally about the answer writing. So let me take care of the reading part so that all of you are very freshers can get to understand कि करना क्या है exactly. ठीक है, so all the very best from my side and I'll help you out again. All the very best.